Will other experts work on your case, and what work will they do? At any case that goes to trial, in almost all instances, experts will work on your case. There is absolutely no requirement under Florida law that experts testify in any given case. Several cases can be just determined on a factual basis. However, almost all cases that go to trial at our law firm would include experts. Experts are sometimes needed to determine valuations. So for instance, many times we might have an economist come and testify. Jurors are required to reduce damages to present day value. It's somewhat of a complicated formula, but the economist's testimony or any expert's testimony will help a layperson or a juror understand the intricacies of the testimony. So an economist many times is one expert that would testify. Also many times vocational rehabilitation experts are called upon to testify. In that instance, a vocational rehab expert will testify as to how the permanent injuries have affected the work-life expectancy of the individual, how that will affect their earning capacity over time. It astounds me that many times lawyers in Florida that allegedly practice personal injury do not know how to properly claim future wage loss earnings capacity. For example, in the case of Schilling versus Allstate, which is a seminal case as far as I'm concerned on how to claim loss of future earning capacity losses, allows for someone to make a claim for loss of future earning capacity, where in some instances the people continue to make more money after their injury. The reason why is that many times employers will keep somebody on their job after their injury. However, their earning capacity certainly is shortened. They will have a shortened earning capacity and the ability to earn money in the future. Once someone suffers a permanent injury, their earning capacity over a lifetime is shortened. They might not have the benevolent employer for the rest of their life. At the moment, if they have an employer who is making accommodations for them, we encourage that. That is fantastic. There's no guarantee that employer will be around forever. Many times someone will have an employer who will be able to accommodate them for maybe 6 months or a year, but usually at some point when someone has a permanent injury, they will at some point suffer a future loss of earning capacity. It's somewhat of a difficult concept. A vocational rehabilitation expert will be able to give that testimony that will allow a jury of lay people to understand why that person who has a permanent injury will now have a loss of earning capacity over a lifetime. It's very important that if you're injured in an accident, that you get attorneys with experience that know how to bring forth these claims. If you're injured, please call the lawyers at the number in at this website.